Assalamu alaikum to one and all. Today in English we are going to see one of the writing skill, that is information transfer. Now information transfer is transferring the information from a passage, paragraph or a poem form into a tabular form or into a web diagram or into any other expected way. Okay. Now information when transferred into different formats should make it into a easy comprehend way. It should be easy to make it into a memorized form, or it should provide information at a glance. Now we are going to see one of the examples of non-verbal to verbal first. The question here is, prepare a paragraph on problems in conservation of wildlife and solutions using the points given in the following table. Now there is a table provided here. On this first three columns are made there: man-made problem, natural and the solutions. Now the man-made problem, the list is given here: population explosion, ever growing need for agricultural land, over exploitation of forest like wood, etc., poaching to meet ever increasing international demand for animal hides. Now the natural problems here are outbreak, forest fire, drought, flood. Now in the solution here we have provisions of strict laws, proper execution of law, provide proper security to protect wild animal, arranging for the check post to detect the poaching, etc. Now here you have to make it into a paragraph form. Now the name of the topic here is problems in conservation of wildlife and solutions. We will make the following tabular form into a paragraph form now. We are faced with both man-made problems as well as natural problems in our life. Some of our man-made problems is population, the need for agricultural land, over exploitation of forest, especially cutting down of the trees for construction of buildings, and hunting animals for their hides, tusk, fur, etc. There are natural problems such as breakout of forest fire, flood and droughts. We can control all these by enforcing the strict laws and seeing to it that these laws are well executed. Proper security must be provided to the protecting of the wildlife, and finally check posts must be set up near forest areas to detect poaching, and poachers must be punished. Here the marking scheme is that 1 mark for the title, using of the given points 2 marks, the grammar part it takes 1 marks, and layout and the conclusion takes 1 mark. So in all, easily we can get 5 marks if we arrange the tabular form into a paragraph form. Now we turn on to verbal to non-verbal. That means now a passage is given, you have to make it into a tree diagram. Either it may be tree diagram, or either it may be web diagram, or either it may be tabular form. Okay. So here see the question there. One example we are taking: read the following passage and draw a tree diagram to cover the main points. The Indian judiciary is made up of courts at 3 levels. The Supreme Court is the apex court of India, and it is for the whole Union of India. There are high courts for each state. In each state at the district level there are session courts. The session court's judge has under his jurisdiction either the assistant session judge, the chief metropolitan magistrate, or the chief judiciary magistrate. The chief metropolitan magistrate has under his jurisdiction the metropolitan magistrate and the special metropolitan magistrate. Now the answer you see here. First, it is the Indian judiciary. Then there is an arrow, then Supreme Court for the Union of India. Then down there is High Court for each district. Now High Court is having the different session courts for each district. Now in the session court we will see 3 sections are there: assistant session judge, chief metropolitan magistrate, and chief judicial magistrate. Now the chief metropolitan magistrate is divided further into 2 branches: metropolitan magistrate and special metropolitan magistrate. Now the marking scheme here is: title we get 1 marks, use of proper layout 1 marks, covering all the points 2 marks, appropriate vocabulary 1 marks. Okay, with this we can understand the writing skill, that is verbal to non-verbal and non-verbal to verbal. One more example of verbal to non-verbal we are going to take is, see the specimen here. The question is, read the following paragraph and transfer the information in the form of a tree diagram. Now see the passage there. We all read for variety of reasons. Our basic reason for reading is probably pleasure. We read literature mostly because we enjoy it. Reading for pleasure may take various forms. We may read just to pass the time. We often read for information and knowledge. We find pleasure in learning about life in the Swiss Alps or the Mississippi River. We also read simply for enjoyment. We get pleasure from the arrangement of words. We can find pleasure even in syllable, just as children like the sound ring around the rosy, although they may not know what the words mean. Now here the paragraph is there, we have to transfer it into a tree diagram. What the paragraph is about reading. Now see the sample answer here. The main point is reasons for reading. It is further divided into 2 branches. We read either for pleasure and the other side it is passing our time. Now for pleasure it is further divided into 3, that is pleasure from reading. Then the next one is joy got from arrangement of the words or even syllables, that is sometime without meaning we enjoy reading. And the third way of getting the pleasure is pleasure derived from getting the knowledge. Now here the example given is life in the Alps or the Mississippi River. Now here it completes whatever the extract was there in the paragraph, that all things are completely covered by us in this tree diagram. Now marking scheme here, title gets 1 mark, proper layout 1 marks, covering all the points 2 marks, and appropriate vocabulary 1 marks. Okay, so it total goes to 5 marks. So it's an easy concept here. Now let us see one more example here of non-verbal to verbal. Now see the example here is, books have the power to inspire us and to many more things. Observe the diagram and convert the information into a paragraph form. Add your own points too. Now it's a web diagram. Books, what books give us? It's written there: inspiration, pleasure, motivation, knowledge, teaching. Okay, we have to turn it into a paragraph form and give it a proper title. So the title can be, see the answer here, model answer: books, man's best friends. Okay, now the answer first starts with, most of us hardly realize the value of books. Since in today's world we are either glued to the TV or are texting our mobile phone for hours on end, most of us have forgotten that no one can be a man's best friend like books can. Books are source of inspiration to us just as they were to our ancestors. They not only give us a lot of knowledge but also give us immense pleasures. Those who are very fond of reading get stuck to their books waiting to see what will happen next to the characters. Books teach us many things and motivate us to give more knowledge. Books are the best teachers one can ever hope to get. There can be nothing as invigorating as books. Books are man's best friend. Now here the paragraph completes. See here the marking scheme. Title, for the title we get 1 marks. Using of the given points 2 marks. The grammar part 1 mark, and layout and conclusion gets 1 mark. So total it is 5 marks. So with this we can understand how to make the non-verbal into verbal and the verbal into non-verbal. Okay, inshallah we'll continue next time. Jazakallah.